Hey guys, welcome to my channel Joe's Diet Talk. In this video, you will be knowing what is elimination diet and how it works. Elimination diet is the best way to get rid of health problems like asthma, mood disorder, skin problems, migraine, etc. So what is elimination diet? Elimination diet is a procedure used to identify foods which a person is intolerant of, in which all suspected foods are excluded from the diet and then reintroduced one at a time. The elimination diet is a great way to determine what exactly causes your food allergy. Every step should be followed to make sure you get the desired results. Phase 1, that is day 1 to day 23. This is called as elimination phase. First, the first part of each phase, cut the listed foods out of your diet. Then add each bag, one at a time, for 3 days and see if you have any symptoms or not. If you do that, it's likely you trigger food and you should avoid eating it. You eliminate most food types like gluten, milk, cheese, meat, soy, coffee, alcohol and others. Phase 2, day 24 to day 26, reintroducing phase. You begin to reintroduce food types including milk and dairy products. Introduce milk and dairy products. Phase 3, day 27 to day 29. Introduce milk and dairy products. Introduce gluten foods. Phase 4, day 30 to day 32. Introduce milk and dairy products, include gluten foods, include meat, and introduce chocolates. Assess. At this stage, all reintroduced foods should be assessed to determine if they are the cause of food allergy. If none of the above is the cause of the problem, you can introduce more food types. Introduce coffee and alcohol. Phase 5, day 33 to day 35. Introduce coffee and alcohol. Phase 6, day 36 to day 38. Introduce coffee and alcohol. Introduce eliminated fruits. Phase 7, day 39 to day 40. Introduce other food types. Introduce coffee and alcohol. Introduce eliminated fruits. Assess. At this stage, all reintroduced foods should be assessed to determine if they are cause of the food allergy or not. Food to be introduced in elimination diet. Fruits like whole fruits, unsweetened, frozen, in water, packed, diluted, natural juices to be introduced in your diet. Dairy products should be from nuts like almond milk, Brazil nut milk, hemp seed milk, rice milk. Grains and starches like brown rice, millets, quinoa, amaranth, buckwheat, etc. can be introduced. In animal protein, you can introduce cold water fish like salmon, wild game, lean lamb, chicken, turkey, and duck. Vegetable protein like split peas, lentils, legumes, beans, etc. Vegetables should be fresh, raw, steamed, sauté, roasted, and juiced. Oils like cold pressed olive oil, coconut oil, flaxseed oil, almond oil, sunflower oil, and pumpkin, coconut, and walnut oil can be used. In drinks, you can include filtered water, herbal teas, green tea, lemon tea, mineral water, coconut water, etc. In sweeteners, you can include brown rice syrup. Condiments like vinegar, allspices, salt, dried pepper, cinnamon, garlic, cumin, ginger, mustard, oregano, parsley, turmeric, thyme, and rosemary can be used. A good elimination diet is very restricting, which helps you to identify as many as trigger food as possible. Although the elimination diet is restricting, there are plenty of foods you can include in the diet. Elimination diet can be reduce the intake of important vitamins and minerals and few nutrients. So it is not required to follow for the long period of time. Children and people with the known suspected allergies should not follow this eliminated diet without the doctor consultation. Thank you for watching my channel.